Hey everyone, this is Harshad Verma and today we have HP Gaming Keyboard K500F with us, and this is how the box looks from the front and from the side. And it comes in two variants, black and white, and this is a black variant, and this is how it looks from the back side, from the side. And here are its specifications. It's a wired keyboard with a button press life of up to 10 million clicks, and it has a rated voltage of 5 volt 200 milliampere. Pretty basic stuff. And yeah, its printed price is 1400, but I bought it for 1300. And let's just open it up and see what we have inside. So I'm not really impressed with the packing that we have here, but that's not really important. And what really important is how the keyboard is. So yeah, here we have some documentation. This is a public notice of some kind. I know, not really sure what this is. And here is the card for all the support numbers on it, and this is the warranty card, and this is the manual which tells us how it works, but we don't need that. So let's just unwrap it. Okay, so I think the keys are not dark enough. I mean, the numbers and letters are written on the keys are not dark enough that anybody can see it clearly. I mean, it's pretty black. I think without the LED underneath it, it would be really hard to type. Let's just we'll see in the real life when we actually write on it. So this is how it looks from the back, and yeah, its keys are really nice. They're really clicky, as you can hear, and it feels really nice. Well, not as nice as the mechanical keyboard, but it's still great. It's a membrane keyboard, but uh, a really great membrane, I would like to say. And it's metal on the top. Here is all the metal frame, and I think the logo close to, and yeah, it's plastic on the back. So metal is on the top and plastic is on the back, and this is the rated current and all that stuff. And this is the stand. Let me just show you how it would look if it's upright. I mean, the stand is up. Let me just change the camera's angle. So yeah, this is how tall it gets, or whatever. I mean, with the stand up, and without the stand up, this is how it looks. Yeah, I think for my daily use, I would like to keep the stand up. And let me just show you from the behind. So yeah, right now these stands are not up, and I'm gonna, yeah, okay. So this is how it looks from the back when these stands are up. Okay, now from the side. Okay, now let me just show you how it looks in the dark. So this is how the keyboard looks in the dark. It looks pretty great. It looks like it has RGB colors, but the colors do not change, they remain the same, and it comes with three brightness settings. So we press function key and page down, and it's out. Brightness 1, 2, and 3, the highest brightness, and the logo also turns blue. Okay, let me just turn the caps lock on. Yeah, and so it's not really turning on the color blue, but the logo does turns on has a color blue in it. And what is with it right now. So this is how it looks from the side, the color, and from this side, and from this side, and from the back. Okay, so let me just turn the lights on now. So in the light, this is how it looks. My only complaint with it is if we turn the backlit off. So right now the backlit is off and I can't really see the letters and numbers on it. It's really hard to see them. So you cannot really use it without the backlit. If you're gonna use this keyboard, you have to keep the backlit on. And it's not really annoying for me, but it could be for some people. And yeah, that's my only complaint with this keyboard. Otherwise, this is a really great keyboard, and the keys are nice too. They're clicky and feels good. And it's not really expensive like a mechanical keyboard, but yeah, it's a membrane keyboard, so don't get your expectations high as a mechanical keyboard. So that was it. This is Harshit Verma signing off. Thanks for watching.